What's good, my wonderful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video is a little bit dark here, but I still wanna show you guys my FX book, obviously. Comment down below what you think about my results, and if you think this is the results that good that the trader to have it. So let's just jump right into the video because I don't want to take too long. We're gonna start from 2023 because then I did open my IC market account. So let's just see the results. Yeah, so basically I opened this account in July 2023. I made like a percent 49. Then I was on a drawdown like minus 277. Then September it was 3 and 11. And then October 2023 it was like 6.77%. That was like kind of painful a little bit, but hey man, it is what it is. That's trading, you know. And then on this November 2023 I remember it was a month minus 7%, but at the end of the month I had a few winning trades and I get back to minus 2.54. That's insane. And then on December I had 6.78%, which is pretty awesome. This was like 2023. It was like shit. but on the 2024 is begin my profitability. Are you ready? So this was my full year of trading. Yeah, in January I had like 15.89%. Here I'm gonna make a notion. Yeah, in January 2024 I had that big of a profit only because by accident. I'm gonna repeat one more time, by accident, because I still doing my job, and I opened basically a trade. I forgot to put my TP. I put my stop loss, but I forgot about TP, and it was like non-farm payroll and just shoot up on the profits. And when I opened the board, that was like in the crazy profit. So I'm like, let me just close it out because that's basically not fair. And then on February 2024, I had like 4% basically gain, which is not that bad. Then on the March, I had a little bit of drawdown, which was like almost 6%. It was like 577, which is quite down, but hey man, it is what it is. Then I had some sort of break even, but still is a drawdown. I'm counting this as a drawdown month. This month it was crazy. It was going up and down, up and down, up and down, and at the end it was closed like for 1.17 basically drawdown. And then I had like almost 7% drawdown. This is crazy. I think on this point I was thinking like, man, something is wrong with my trading strategy. But then I was watching the Nick Sean's trading video on YouTube, and he was keep saying like he's got like 3 or 4 months out of the year when it's just completely drawdown. And I'm like, let me just keep sticking to my strategy, you know. And then next month I did 5.53 RR. Then I was this one I was counted as a break even because it was like minus 0.17, which is, I would say, is break even month in July. Then August I made almost 6%. Then on September I didn't have enough time to spend and trade. I made almost 1% only. Then October I made 2.58. Then November I made 3.46. And then December I made 1.59, which is insane. And the way, if you do the math, you could see like I'm profitable in the 2024. Basically the 2024 is my first year when I'm profitable. Please let me know down in the comments what you think. This is a good result or is bad results, because to be honest, I never had like a profitable year, so I can't say like it's good or bad, but I would like to hear your opinion. Or maybe somebody who is profitable for the years in a row. I would like to hear like from the professional standoff point, if you know what I mean. And the most important thing, guys, you might gonna like to see the results of 2025, which is right here. Right now we are on February, and on the January I had like 7.47%, which is decent. And then on the February 2025, I do have, to be honest, like 2.6. I would say here 1% should be added it because it did not update it, so I still waiting for the update. But from this standoff point, like this is the results, and from the reason why I'm showing you is to show you the results of the percentage points, if you know what I mean. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it, and I really want to hear like what people think about this stats. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're gonna like it, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, you can watch my live trading video and enjoy. Cheers, peace, and love, guys. I'm out.